Today, Chef Mod from Asian Inspirations is taking us on a journey to the northeastern parts of Thailand. What are we cooking?
Larb Moo.
Larb Moo, which
Yes.
translates to?
Larb is a name of a dish.
Yep.
Moo means pork.
Now, I love larb, and the thing I love the most about larb is the crispy, glutinous rice
Yes,
on top.
correct.
It makes this dish. It really just brings it to a different level. So we've got lots of different ingredients, lots of color, lots of flavor. 2 pans going. This is going to be quick and fast,
Yes,
isn't it?
correct.
Beautiful. Where do we start?
So we start with the glutinous rice first.
Yes, beautiful. So you want to get that nice and toasted, and you want a nice dark golden color to that, don't you? The
Yes.
lemongrass and some kaffir lime. Now, can you make this with any other kind of rice, or is it best to just go out and grab the glutinous rice?
The best is glutinous rice
Yep.
because it's not gonna absorb water easy.
I see, yes,
So,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so there's your tip. Just go out, buy some glutinous rice, buy a big packet, and then you can make larb whenever you want.
So then we cook pork.
Beautiful.
So we don't need any color.
Yep.
So we just use water to cook it.
So no oil, just water.
Yes,
so we're
correct.
not going for that caramelization that you would get with, you know, most other stir fries or dishes like this. You want it to almost broil essentially. So you just want to cook that meat down and no color, because you almost want all the fresh flavors that you've got here to be the hero.
Yes,
so
correct.
the pork is like the carrier for all these beautiful little flavors and whatnot. So you've got some onion, there's some kaffir lime, spring onion, chili, coriander, mint, more chili because we know how spicy you like to keep things in this kitchen. Sugar, lemon juice?
Yes, correct.
Lemon juice, just to balance. So Maud, you're only using one sauce today. So you've got the Squid Brand Premium Fish Sauce, which is the most pure first press
Yes.
extract of the actual fish sauce. So it's going to punch of flavour, and you just want to keep it nice and simple so you get the most purest form of that beautiful fish style sauce. So this looks very fancy, which I love, and you can see that's cooking down. Are you going to cook with the fish sauce,
No,
or are we going
no.
to add it in so you get
Just
that
add in,
beautiful
yeah.
fresh flavour? I love it.
Yeah, we need fresh flavor from the fish sauce.
Do we serve it with rice? Do you serve it with lettuce cups? What do you like to do?
Anything you can wrap it in lettuce.
Yep.
If you like don't want to have carbohydrate, it's fine.
Yeah, okay.
So
Yep.
normally we eat with sticky rice.
Yes,
Steam,
yum. Yep.
nice,
Yep.
hot.
Yep.
Yeah.
I love it. Beautiful. So sticky rice, you could do lettuce cups, but today you're going really simple. You've just got some cucumber and some little green beans. So I'm just going to sit back, snack on some beans, and
Yes.
just wait until this comes together. So the rice is still toasting and the pork is ready to go.
Yes, correct.
Beautiful. So I'm in charge of mixing.
Okay.
I will do that for you. I need to do something, Chef Mod. You've cut everything beautifully, you've cooked everything. I've got to do something. So that goes straight into this bowl?
Yes, correct. I put in
Beautiful.
here. Careful.
Thank you. All right, and then you can start adding the ingredients and I'll mix everything for you.
Yes.
So what goes in first?
So we get the seasoning.
Beautiful. So some lemon juice, the sugar, and the sugar you probably want to add while it's nice and hot, just so it starts to dissolve, don't you? And with that lemon. Chili, always.
Yes, always.
Oh my God, there's so much chili, Mod.
It depends what you like.
So if you, because you're cooking, I'm like, that is so spicy.
Yeah.
I can smell that already, Mod.
And our beautiful fish sauce.
Beautiful.
About
much fish sauce?
3 tablespoons.
Yep. I'm gonna go
3.
3.
Yes.
Done. That smells incredible. So fish sauce is obviously the main seasoning of this dish. So you
Yes.
want it to be the best quality possible so that it's really highlighted and it sings, and you can smell just as it's hit that pork, the smell coming off it is absolutely incredible. So I feel like there's a lot of people out there, Mod, who haven't tried fish sauce yet. And I think it is such a versatile ingredient. You can have it like this, fresh, cooked down as well, and it just adds so much umami to a dish, and it will elevate any dish that you're cooking at home, whether it's stir-fried noodles, your larb,
Yes,
a nice bowl of pho, something, you know, just as simple as a salad even, or a dipping sauce for rice paper rolls. So Mod, that rice is looking nice
Yes.
and toasted. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful. So I've got the mortar and pestle here, and you're going to go straight in. And I feel like there's an art to using a mortar and pestle. You want to do this by hand. You don't want to put it in a blender. You want to feel like you're in Thailand, in the streets of Bangkok, making this yourself. That smells incredible, the toastiness of that rice, and then obviously all those beautiful flavors in there, the kaffir lime, the lemongrass,
So this one is ready.
Beautiful. So in no time at all, that rice has gone from being untoasted to so full of flavor, those beautiful aromas. That smells incredible. So you're gonna stir some through.
Yes.
Beautiful. I'm gonna let you do this because this is
sure.
your baby, and I'm gonna find a spoon. I'll be back. Spoons. Well, I'm back. 1 spoon for me and 1 spoon for you. Beautiful. This is so fresh and vibrant and so quick. So quick. And you can add any kind of crunchy vegetables that you want as well.
Correct.
More chili, standard with you, Mod. You're building my chili tolerance, recipe by recipe with you. Now that's too pretty to ruin, so I think I'm just gonna have to eat out of this bowl because that's way too nice. I'm gonna sprinkle, and I'm just gonna go straight in. Is that all right?
Yes.
Mod, the texture of that rice just takes this dish to the next level. It's so fresh. You can taste the fish sauce in there as well. It just, everything that you put into this dish, you can taste. And that's what I love about Thai cooking. It's fresh, it's vibrant. Chef Mod, you have brought Thailand to my kitchen today. This is absolutely incredible. This is the perfect dinner for a Tuesday night, or spice it up with some sticky rice and lettuce cups and bring your friends over for a beautiful Thai feast. That is incredible. Thank you.
Thank you very much.